our propane and natural gas char broiler. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 16 inches. The depth, 24 3/4 inches. And height with legs, we have 16 inches tall. Coming to the top will be 3 removable char broiler plates, along with a smaller plate in the middle. Measurements for the smaller plate will include 4 inches in length by 18.5 inches in depth. Measurements for the 2 larger plates will include 5.5 inches in length, also by 18.5 inches in depth. Plates can be removed for cleaning and reinserted back onto the track. Beneath the plates will be 2 burners, and located on the corner in the front will be an opening where the axes and debris will fall onto this drip pan located underneath the char broiler. Measurements for the drip pan will include 11 3/4 inches in length by 21 inches in depth. The drip tray can be removed and inserted back onto the track right beneath the char broiler. Coming to the front will be the temperature adjustment gauge. And on the side will be the ETO NSF certification. And coming to the back will be the black pipe for the gas connection. Gas regulator along with the propane conversion kit will also be included with this char broiler. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.